Okay, customer on the phone right here wants me to videotape me taking the head out of the box. It only took about 10 minutes to get this thing unpacked out of here. So this head was glued into this box here, as you can tell. I'm not sure why this is a Tatro torture machine. So we're supposed to videotape my torture and grief. Now all I can say is it came in undamaged. But short of that, don't do this. This sucks. Alright, so that was one down. Get back over here. You might get hit with flying cardboard material because there's going to be a lot of it flying. Okay, who sent me this here? David in Prudale, California sent me this crap. I still don't know if this is something I bought on eBay or if he wants me to work on this, but you never know around here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it looks like box 2, round 2. Okay, we don't need a knife anymore because this will be done manual labor. So we have a few pieces of cardboard here to deal with. Oh, we're already hitting glue. Guess what? It's got more. So the trick is you use gravity here to help unload it. Well, that worked in the last one. Now I didn't work on this one. I think the glue is a little bit soft. Yeah, this one didn't come out. Okay, we're going to have to cut this box apart. Maybe rip it out here. Yeah, we can rip it, but it's not coming out. Alright, this box is done. In case you didn't think I knew how to take a box apart. There we go. Extra parts. The head appears to be undamaged. Don't ship me crap like this again. I already did one of these, so I'm practiced now. Oh, I've already took one apart, so I'm up on how to do it. There we go. That's twice as quick as the last one. First, now I got to pick a bunch of junk up on the floor. All right. All that to get a head out. Look at that. Okay, are these even match? Oh, they're both the same. No, they're set. Yeah, with the two holes are in the middle, that means you got a set. These appear to be 06 castings. So these are twin cam heads. So seeing how I have no labeling on what I'm supposed to do to these, I assume I bought these on eBay. I buy all kinds of crap on eBay. So these appear to be a low mileage takeoffs. They look pretty damn nice. They don't appear to have much damage anywhere on them. So yeah. So if anybody needs a nice set of 06 casting heads, I just happen to have a pair. Now the advantage of these heads over the 99 castings is they have really nice ports in these. So you can actually see the exhaust valve in there, unlike the other head that you can't. The other has this little hole about like that big with a big hump in it. So these flow a lot better. It's just like having a set of ported heads already from the factory. So you put a set of these on your early bike, and all you got to do is change out the intake flange here because this is straight across where the early one's offset. And then they bolt right on. So these are for a non-FL turd, unless you have an 08 and earlier turd. Then it'll fit. Being natural finish like this, gray, I would guess these are off of a Dynaturd. But Dynaturd heads will fit on Softails and road turds. You notice how everything's a turd except for a Softail? Because a Softail is the only thing that looks like a Harley. It looks like we're getting a little rust on this spring right there, which is not the best. Yes, don't like that. Get some spray on that to stop that. This head's nice. So it looks like someone pissed on this one. They got a little rust going. So we definitely have to do something about that. Anyway, here's a nice set of heads. So there you go. So where's Scooby when you need him? See, Scooby could have unpacked this for me. He would have had fun. He would have ripped and tore this thing to shreds. Instead, I had to do all the work. All right, well, there you go. That's how you unpack a set of heads that were overly packed. So, are you happy now? Here, are you happy? Did you see it? Customer will see it later. All right, there you go.